Hi friend, and welcome to my channel. Let's draw a beautiful little mermaid together. Are you ready? Let's start. Draw 2 circles for each eye. Draw a small vertical line and a semicircle for the nose. Draw 3 small curved lines for the mouth. Now draw 2 strands of hair on the forehead with 4 curved lines. Draw a curved line and then a semicircle for the ear. Trace the outline of the head with a semicircle and the outline of the face with another semicircle. Now draw the tail of the hair with 2 wavy lines. Wow! Our design is starting to take shape! Draw a line for the neck, arm and hand. Draw the other arm and the other hand like I do. Now draw the upper body with a diagonal line, a curved line, and another one diagonal. Draw 4 semicircles for the costume and 2 straight lines for the suspenders. Now draw many small semicircles around the waist. Draw the mermaid's tail with a curved line and a semicircle. Draw 2 fins with 4 curved lines. Draw small curved lines inside the tail. Draw a line inside its fin. Draw curved lines for the hair. Draw 2 curved lines for the eyebrows. Wow! Our mermaid turned out really well! Good job! Now let's take the colors. Use black for the eyes. Use pink for the skin. Use red to color the hair and fins. Use orange for the belt. Color the mermaid's tail with yellow. And color the costume with blue. Excellent! Our mermaid friend is ready to swim with you in the sea. Good job! Goodbye friends, see you soon!